Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the needle on a Singer 5830C sewing machine. So all you have to do, you lift up the needle so it's at the utmost position, just so it's easier to access. Then you're going to grab this screw right here, unscrew it till you feel the needle loosen, pull down, and just remember how you took it out. It's hard to tell here, but this has a flat edge right there. That flat edge faces the back of the machine. So when you have your new needle, all you do, face that flat edge towards the back, slide in till it doesn't go any further. Turn your screw, and then just give it a quick test. Make sure that the new needle that you put in, give it about 3 or 4 up and down motions. Make sure it's not bent and hitting the bobbin. It's better to do this manually. If you use it with the foot pedal, it can cause damage. So that's all there is to it, folks. It's running nice and smooth up and down. So hopefully you found this helpful, and as always, please like and subscribe.